Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about something just as important as building your robot, building your team. A lot of teams focus only on the robot, but your results depend on how your team works together. A strong team solves problems faster, adapts during competition, and keeps improving when things go wrong. Even a good robot won't perform well without a strong team behind it. Many teams deal with the same problems. A few people do most of the work. Some members don't know what to do. There's miscommunication, and new members can feel left out. To solve this, teams usually take one of two approaches: a strict hierarchy or a more flexible system. The first option is a hierarchy. This means clear roles like leads or captains, where people are assigned specific responsibilities and report to someone. This can work well, especially for newer teams, because it gives structure and clear direction. The second option is organic leadership. This is what we use on our FRC team. With organic leadership, we don't assign strict roles at the start. People take ownership based on their interests, skills, and where they want to contribute. Leadership develops over time, not from a title. This makes the team more flexible and keeps everyone more involved. It also allows anyone to step up when needed. It also gives people the chance to explore different parts of FIRST, from building the robot to outreach to team development. Communication is also key. We use prebriefs and debriefs to keep everyone on the same page. A prebrief is a quick plan at the start of a meeting, where we decide what we're working on. A debrief is at the end, where we go over what we get done and what still needs to happen next. This helps even if someone couldn't come to the meeting. They can quickly understand what happened and what they need to do. We also use tools and platforms like Discord to share updates and stay connected. You can use Discord, WhatsApp, Slack, or anything similar. We also created a website called Coach's Companion. It's a full resource for team building. We organize everything based on Tuckman's stages of team development: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. This means teams grow in stages from getting to know each other, to working through challenges, to finally performing well together. The website includes different team building activities you can use at different points in your season. Some help new members get comfortable, while others help your team work better together. You can go to the website, choose an activity, and use it right away with your team. We also have a feedback form on the website. If you try something or have suggestions, you can share that with us so we can keep improving it. Here's the link and QR code that you can scan. The link is also in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.